Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and Country Cook Steve Hall here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with Pretty Miss Sheila for another recipe. Hi, Sheila.
Hi! This is Sheila and Jennifer, and tell us who this lady is, because I forgot.
Momma Donna.
Didn't.
Momma Donna is back with a fun, cool summer recipe for us to take to that barbecue. And what do we got today, Mom?
It is Pistachio Pineapple Delight, also known as Watergate Salad.
Watergate salad.
It is fabulous.
Why do they call it Watergate salad?
Well,
Tell us
I
about it.
looked this up actually because I was curious. Back in the 70s, they were going to do an article on it. The recipe had just come out, and they wanted something interesting, and they decided to call it Watergate. Remember Watergate in the 70s? So it would pique people's interest, and that's stuck. So
There you go.
yeah. Right? And like Jenny said, you can have it. It's wonderful because it's refreshing. You can have it, with your barbecues, but really any time of year, holiday time, really any time. It's so yummy.
Christmas Eve, we've had this a lot.
Oh yeah, it can be a side dish or even a dessert. It's so good. Anyway, what you're going to start out with is you want to get the pistachio instant pudding, 1 box, and we're going to put that in our bowl.
We already opened it for her, so
We did.
Here, Jen.
thanks, Sheila.
And you want to
Should be tossing things back
Yeah,
and forth
back
to
and
me.
forth.
you want to
The
put it
football.
in. You want to put this in the bowl dry.
Okay, I'll take
Okay.
that.
Then you're going to add, I love the pineapple, the Dole pineapple in its own juice, Tidbits. I just think that they're just the right size as far as not too big a chunks and not too small. So you want to add the whole thing with the juice,
With the juice.
Okay. And you're going to dump
Good.
that in.
Okay. Throw that away for you.
Okay. And then you're going to mix this. And it's going to start, you'll see the instant pudding, it's going to start getting thickened. And I put the pineapple in the refrigerator. So I start out with a cold can. And one of the reasons I do that is, you know what, if you're in a hurry and you're like, oh my gosh, I have to make something really quick, it's already cold. Your fruit is already cold because you're going to want to put it in the refrigerator for just a little bit after it's made. Now the next thing that you want to add to this is we have our Cool Whip, and
That's the big container.
this is the big one. That's the big one.
Just dump it out.
Dump it in here.
Doesn't that look good? I love Cool Whip.
Oh
I do
yeah.
too.
Me too. Love it, love it, love it. Oops. You want to dump that in there.
Steve used to say all the time, when I'm in another room, he'd say, what do you want out of the fridge? I say, a bowl of Cool Whip.
Oh yeah.
Maybe some strawberries on the side.
So
Have
good.
some strawberries with a side of Cool Whip.
Okay, you want to fold that in.
Okay.
Mix that
I'll
in.
show everybody what to.
Yeah, what to expect. Yep. And the next thing that you want to add to this would be some miniature marshmallows.
Like these.
Like those.
Like those, yeah.
Yeah.
Like those.
Yep. And I probably put about maybe 2 cups.
We were laughing. They said you don't want to use those on a campfire, though.
Yeah, unless
No.
you want to use toothpicks.
No.
Toothpicks, yeah. don't use them for s'mores. Too small.
It's about 2 cups of the miniature marshmallows,
2 cups.
approximately.
Okay.
Mhm.
Some fluffy, yummy salad.
So good. Love it. I mean, you can actually eat this right away, but it's nice to go ahead and
Chill it.
chill it a little bit after it's done.
Do you cook at home a lot? Or
I
you just-
do, yes. Yeah.
Are you kidding with my dad? He's one of those, he expects that dinner at 5:30 every evening. And so she's always like, I call her at like 4. She goes, what are you doing? Oh, I shouldn't even have asked.
Well,
She's
you know to
cooking
call,
dinner.
you know to call them before
He's-
6 o'clock.
Yeah.
They never talk.
He's like a baby. He needs his 4-hour feeding.
I know, he does. Seriously.
I didn't have a son.
He's old school. He's definitely like, it's 5
Yes, he
o'clock.
does.
Shouldn't
Yeah.
we be eating somewhere?
We've been married a long time.
A long.
A lot, 48 years. Okay, so
48
now we're going to add shredded sweetened coconut. I can't say it fast. Okay, gonna
Now
add
we're
that.
talking.
Yeah, love the
I
coconut.
love coconut too.
Oh
Mhm.
gosh.
So we're probably putting about a cup of that in there.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Throw it all in.
Yeah, no kidding. It's gonna go on top too.
Oh yeah.
Good.
We got
Oh yeah,
more.
we're gonna garnish with that because I love
Mm.
pineapple and coconut. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and transferred it into the serving bowl, and now we're ready to go ahead and garnish it, and we're gonna put more coconut.
Yay,
I
coconut.
love
Mhm.
coconut.
Oh yeah. So you want to sprinkle however much you want. If you love coconut, be generous with it.
Okay.
And the next thing that you want to do is we're going to go ahead and I purchased just the sliced Dole pineapple in its own juice.
Okay.
We're going to go ahead and just
You drain the
garnish.
juice, so you don't need the juice.
Right, we
Okay.
did drain it.
We don't even want to mess this up.
I know. It's
I
so
know.
pretty. Is it kind of so pretty you don't want to eat it after a while? It's like,
Yeah.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Put one in the middle.
Oh, right.
Yeah, that was just a small can, so
And of course, you
Okay.
can decorate this any way you want.
you can. Then I purchased maraschino cherries.
So
And
there you
I
go.
went ahead and laid them on a paper towel, so this way,
They don't bleed all
Yeah.
over the
right,
white coconut.
exactly. So here we go. We're gonna set these around just to make it look really pretty. Go ahead and put it
Thank
in
you.
your refrigerator for just maybe an hour or two, and you're ready to go. I mean, you could eat it right now, but
Oh, we'll eat it
isn't-
right now.
isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, we don't need to wait for it to chill.
Okay,
it's
let's
already, it's
go.
already
Ready?
I'm ready.
Yes, let's go.
Mm.
Ready?
Yummy. Mmm.
Mm.
Smells so good.
Oh my gosh,
Isn't that good?
fabulous. Oh yeah.
You can make a meal out of just this.
Mm. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
It is good.
Mm-hmm. You will love this. I'm
It's
telling you right now.
Steve would
So
love
lightweight.
Oh
this.
yeah.
Yeah, it's very light, very fluffy, very cool. It's great for summer.
Mhm.
Any barbecues or get-togethers. A very quick and easy thing to make.
Or if you just want to make it for no occasion.
Yeah, exactly. What do you think, Mom?
Love it.
Well, if this is not the best,
What is it?
What is it?
Pistachio Pineapple Delight, also known as Watergate Salad. If it ain't, it oughta be.
We'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget that the recipe's right down in the comments, so you don't have to go to any other website to check it out.
don't forget to visit shotgunred.com.
We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.